The attention line is optional. If the letter goes to a specific person within an organization, which is large, the word attention is followed by the specific person's name so that the letter gets to them. This is not necessary in smaller organizations or if the letter is sent to a department in the organization and not a specific person. For example, if you want to send a letter to the shipping department, but it is not important who reads the letter, an attention line is unnecessary. Your professional letter needs to include a subject line. Let me define what it is. The subject line is a short phrase or a sentence that explains what the letter is about. The body of the letter is the message you want your audience to read. It should be written in single-spaced paragraph form and placed on the page with the use of white space effectively. What I mean by that is the letter should be placed more in the center of the page with white space on top and bottom and on the two sides so that the page does not look lopsided. The complimentary closing is a formal ending to the letter. Words such as sincerely, yours truly, respectfully, or regards are commonly used. This is followed by enough white space for the signature of the author. Usually this is 4 lines, but maybe 1 or 2 more lines if necessary. Signer's identification is the type name of the author and their title within the organization. This goes under the handwritten signature. Reference letters are only used if another person typed the letter on behalf of the author who signs the letter. The initials are placed next to the signature of the author. The enclosure reminder is optional and is used if extra documents are enclosed in the envelope with the letter. CC notions are used if the author is sending a copy of the letter to someone other than the original receiver. This lets the reader know who else has a copy of the letter. Business letters should be spaced on the page so that they are easy to read and the letter looks evenly distributed. There are sample letters to show an example of how to space the information in the letter and the white space that you can look at to understand what we mean by effective use of white space. Business letters are not difficult to write once you learn how to format them. Thank you.